Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive course on making herbal syrups, medicinal syrups, and elixirs. My name is Reza Mafpourian, and I will be your instructor. I am a pharmacist, having earned my degree from the prestigious University of Padua in Italy. In this educational series, we will get acquainted with the world of syrups, exploring their nature and characteristics. We will then categorize them and discuss each of these important categories in detail, including simple syrups, herbal syrups, and medicinal syrups. For each type of syrup, we will learn about the necessary ingredients required for their creation. Furthermore, we will work through their preparation methods, demonstrated with detailed animations, to ensure you become thoroughly familiar with the process. We will also cover a variety of formulations and provide practical examples for each type of syrup. In the elixir making section, we will get to know elixirs, their properties, and the ingredients used in their preparation. We will then work together on the preparation method. Illustrative examples and detailed formulations for making elixirs will also be provided. Our aim was to prepare a course for you that adheres to the standards of the pharmacy field, including all the training you need to make a quality syrup or elixir, so you won't need other courses. The lessons are provided in video format, and at the end, a PDF with additional examples will be made available to you. I sincerely hope this series will be fruitful and that you will be able to make full use of it.